everyone, welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to make a cute, squishy octopus. Let's start by making a big archway like a rainbow. Bring it around and close it up. That's going to be our cute, squishy body. I'm going to make my lines a little bit thicker. Oops, I messed up. And you know what? It's okay if your lines aren't perfect because we are learning how to draw and it takes time and practice. I'm just going to color those in to straighten it out. Now that we have the body, we're going to make 5 U-shaped legs going from the bottom up to the top. See, there's my outside leg. Then I'm going to make another U shape connecting at the top. I'm going to connect again and go straight down with that U. Connect again and go a little bit out to the right. Connect again. And boop! There we go. I have my cute squishy legs. Next, we're going to draw the little suction cups that octopus have on their legs. I'm going to draw one oval shape, then a tinier oval shape inside. I'm putting the suction cups on the inner part of the legs. Then I'm going to draw another oval shape and a tiny oval inside. Oval shape, tiny inside. We're going to do the same thing now on the right legs, but we're gonna make our ovals on the left-hand side. One big oval shape and a tiny little oval shape. A big oval shape and a tiny little oval shape. A big oval shape and a tiny little oval shape. Last one. Big oval shape, and you guessed it, tiny little shape. It's already looking so cute. All right, let's make this squishy have some big eyes so it can see where it's going. Oh, yeah, look, I messed up again. But that's okay. Here we go, another circle. Oh, I can make it a little bit bigger so it matches that eye. And I'm going to make a cute little mouth so that our squishy looks happy. There's our curved line for the top of the mouth and a big U shape for its mouth to be open. Now, I draw it this way, but you can always have the smile closed. You can have it smirking. You can give your octopus eyebrows. That's up to you. It's your squishy. Here, I'm just going to add some spots on the top. Give our squishy a little character. All right, our squishy is all done. Now it's time to color. You can use crayons, markers, whatever you have at home. Enjoy!